Get ready to upgrade your ride with the ultimate car gadgets for 2026. I'm bringing you 6 game-changing devices that every driver needs. From smart dash cams to portable tire inflators, these tools make your trips safer, smoother, and way more convenient. Whether you love tech, travel often, or just want to be prepared for anything on the road, these gadgets are practical, reliable, and totally worth having in your car. I'll break down each product, show why it stands out, and highlight features that will actually make your life easier. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap like, and drop a comment with your favorite gadget from the list. I'd love to hear what catches your eye. Number 6. WolfBox MV24 4000 A Jump Starter. The WolfBox MV24 4000 A Jump Starter is an absolute lifesaver for any driver who wants to be prepared for emergencies. It delivers a massive 4000 A peak current, making it capable of jump-starting both gasoline and diesel engines with ease. Its compact and rugged design ensures it's portable enough to keep in your trunk, yet strong enough to handle large vehicles. The LED display shows battery status clearly, and the built-in flashlight with multiple modes helps in low-light situations, perfect for roadside emergencies. Safety is a priority with features like spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, so even beginners can use it confidently. Beyond jump-starting, it doubles as a high-power USB charger for phones, tablets, or other electronics, making it a versatile tool for road trips or daily commuting. If you want peace of mind knowing your car can start no matter what, and your devices can stay charged, the WolfBox MV24 4000 A is a must-have gadget that combines power, convenience, and safety in one sleek package. Number 5. Nulaxi 54W Bluetooth FM Transmitter and Car Charger. The Nulaxi 54W Bluetooth FM transmitter is a multifunctional car gadget that modernizes almost any vehicle instantly. If your car doesn't have built-in Bluetooth for phone calls or music, this transmitter plugs into the 12V outlet and lets you stream audio wirelessly to your car's stereo over an FM frequency you choose, so you can listen to playlists, podcasts, or navigation prompts without a cable. It uses the latest Bluetooth tech for a fast, stable connection and supports hands-free calling, which helps keep you safe and focused on the road. What really sets it apart from simpler FM adapters is the 4 high-power charging ports, including USB-C power delivery and quick charge ports, that can rapidly charge multiple devices at the same time. There's even a built-in battery voltage display on some versions, so you can glance at your car's battery health. Overall, it's a clever blend of entertainment and utility for daily drivers and commuters alike. Number 4. Amazon Echo Auto, Alexa in-car voice assistant. The Amazon Echo Auto brings the convenience of Alexa voice control into vehicles that don't already have a built-in assistant. Once connected to your phone and mounted in your car, it listens for your requests and responds hands-free. You can ask Alexa to play music, get news updates, make calls, or set reminders without touching your screen. What's cool about this gadget is that it integrates with your existing phone apps for navigation and streaming, and you can still use voice commands safely while driving. It's designed with an array of microphones so your voice gets picked up clearly even over road noise and air conditioning. The slim, unobtrusive form means it doesn't clutter your dashboard, and it includes its own fast car charger so your phone stays powered while you're driving. If you love smart assistants at home, bringing Alexa along on the road with Echo Auto makes everyday driving feel more futuristic and convenient. Number 3. VToman V10 Pro 4500 A Jump Starter. The VToman V10 Pro 4500 A Jump Starter is one of those gadgets you almost never think about until you really need it, and then you're incredibly glad it's in your car. It's a beefy portable jump starter that delivers up to 4,500 amps of peak power, making it capable of restarting your car battery even when it's completely dead, and it works with gasoline and diesel engines up to about 10L. What makes it stand out is how versatile it is. Besides jump-starting your vehicle, it doubles as a power bank with USB-C and USB-A outputs, so you can charge phones, tablets, and even small electronics when you're on the go. It also comes with built-in LED lights with multiple modes, solid, strobe, SOS, which is super handy at night or in emergencies. Safety features like spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection give you confidence that even if you're a first-time user, this jump starter keeps things safe. Compact enough to keep in your trunk yet powerful enough for big emergencies, it's a solid everyday accessory. Number 2. LISEN MagSafe Car Phone Holder. If you love looking at your phone safely while driving, The LISEN MagSafe car phone holder is a modern must-have. It uses a strong magnetic connection to hold your phone securely, which makes mounting and removing the device a breeze with just one hand. The clever suction cup design attaches firmly to your windshield or dashboard and stays put even over speed bumps or rough roads. It's compatible with MagSafe-style phones as well as Android phones with magnetic cases, so you can use it with a wide range of devices. Once your phone is in place, you get a clear view of your navigation, music, or calls without taking your eyes too far off the road. It's very easy to install and adjust, so you can tilt the phone to the perfect angle without fumbling around. This holder is also a great travel companion. It sticks to other smooth surfaces too, so you can use it as a stand outside the car if needed. Number 1. VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dash Cam. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is one of the best value 4K dual dash cams you can get on Amazon right now, and it's fantastic for anyone who wants both front and rear recording without spending premium prices. The front camera captures crisp, Ultra HD 4K footage so you can actually read license plates and see details clearly during daytime driving, while the rear camera records in full HD to cover everything behind you. A big plus is the built-in GPS tracker that logs your speed, route, and location directly into the video, super helpful if you ever need proof after an incident. It also supports loop recording and has a buffered parking mode which can automatically record motion when your car is parked. The Wi-Fi connectivity lets you transfer videos to your phone fast using the app. Some might find the app a bit quirky, but overall this dash cam delivers excellent video quality, strong reliability, and great peace of mind on the road. Those were the top 6 car gadgets you need in 2026 to stay ahead, safe, and connected on the road. Each one is designed to solve real driving problems, and having them in your car really changes the experience. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to subscribe to Tech Fact, give this video a like, and comment your favorite gadget or one you're excited to try. All products mentioned in this video are easily available, so check the description below for the details and make your car smarter today.